This video here is going to show you how to set your crew up. Once you log into Elite Field and all of the data has been synced, what you're going to do is see on the left side your crew. You'll set your crew up for the shift. I'm going to set myself up as the primary, as I am the paramedic. I'm going to make myself the primary caregiver. Remember, this will save you clicks in the report. Like ESO makes you pick this every time. This will save you clicks going forward. You're going to add your partner, and I'll add David. He's an EMT. He's going to be my driver to scene and driver to transport. We understand that might not always be the case, but this will save you clicks going forward in your report, so we recommend you set it up here. The next thing I'll set up is my truck, which is called the unit. I will set myself up as Medic 1. This will change my CAD incidence from 1,000 to 14. And I will set up my ZOL. If you're a low-digit medic to a 9 or below, you'll have to select 01. It also has a serial number in case you have a loaner. Once this looks like this, you are set up to begin your shift.